Ever wondered what's really happening under your car's hood when you turn the key? In just a few minutes, you'll understand exactly how an internal combustion engine turns fuel into motion. The internal combustion engine is the heart of most vehicles on the road today. It works by burning fuel inside the engine to create power that moves your car forward. Engine blocks are commonly manufactured from cast iron or aluminum alloy. These materials are selected for their durability and heat dissipation properties. Pistons undergo reciprocating motion within engine cylinders. This movement is a direct result of the combustion process. The combustion generates pressure that forces the pistons to move up and down. The crankshaft is connected to the pistons via connecting rods. As the pistons move linearly, they exert force on the crankshaft. This force is converted into a rotational motion by the crankshaft, which drives the engine's output. The crankshaft is a crucial component in converting piston motion into rotational force. It directly links to the pistons, which move linearly within the engine cylinders. As the pistons move up and down, they exert force on the crankshaft's connecting rods. This force is translated into a circular, rotational motion by the crankshaft's design. The rotational output of the crankshaft then powers the vehicle's wheels or other connected machinery. Connecting rods are crucial components in internal combustion engines. They serve as the link between the pistons and the crankshaft. The primary function of connecting rods is to transmit force. This force, generated by the piston's movement, is converted into rotational motion of the crankshaft. The intake valve's primary function is to regulate the entry of the air-fuel mixture into the engine cylinder. This valve opens during the intake stroke of the engine cycle. The opening of the intake valve creates a pathway for the air-fuel mixture to be drawn into the cylinder. Precise timing of the intake valve opening is essential for optimal engine performance. Properly timed intake valve operation contributes to efficient combustion and overall engine efficiency. The exhaust valve opens to expel burnt gases from the cylinder following combustion. This process is crucial for clearing the cylinder to prepare for the next combustion cycle. Proper valve timing is essential for the complete removal of these exhaust gases. Efficient exhaust removal optimizes engine performance and reduces emissions. The closing of the exhaust valve seals the cylinder, enabling the intake stroke. The intake stroke is a crucial phase in the operation of an internal combustion engine. During the intake stroke, the piston moves downwards within the cylinder. This downward motion of the piston increases the volume of the cylinder. The increased volume creates a vacuum or area of low pressure inside the cylinder. This vacuum draws the air-fuel mixture into the cylinder, preparing it for combustion. The compression stroke is a key phase in internal combustion engines. During this stroke, the piston moves upward inside the cylinder. This upward movement reduces the volume of the cylinder. The air-fuel mixture is compressed to increase its temperature. This compression prepares the mixture for efficient combustion. The combustion stroke is initiated by the spark plug. The spark plug ignites the compressed air-fuel mixture within the cylinder. This ignition causes a rapid expansion of gases. The expanding gases exert force on the piston, driving it downwards. The downward movement of the piston generates power during the combustion stroke. The exhaust stroke is a critical phase in the operation of an internal combustion engine. During the exhaust stroke, the piston moves upward within the cylinder. This upward movement forces the burnt gases out of the cylinder. The exhaust valve is opened during this stroke, allowing the gases to escape. This process effectively clears the cylinder for the next intake cycle. The spark plug's primary function is to ignite the air-fuel mixture within an engine. This ignition is achieved through the generation of a high-voltage spark. The spark initiates the combustion process, driving the engine's pistons. Precise timing of the spark is crucial for optimal engine performance. Improper spark timing can lead to reduced efficiency and potential engine damage. Fuel injectors are critical components in modern internal combustion engines. They are responsible for delivering fuel into the engine's cylinders. Fuel injectors spray a precisely metered amount of fuel. This fuel can be injected into the intake manifold. Alternatively, fuel can be injected directly into the cylinder. This precise fuel delivery ensures an optimal air-fuel mixture for efficient combustion. The cooling system is designed to regulate engine temperature. It prevents overheating by dissipating excess heat. Coolant is circulated through the engine block. The coolant absorbs heat from the engine. The heated coolant then flows to the radiator. The radiator dissipates heat to the atmosphere, cooling the coolant. The lubrication system is designed to circulate oil throughout the engine. This circulation reduces friction between the engine's moving parts. Reducing friction helps to prevent wear and tear on these components. Proper lubrication is essential for extending the overall lifespan of the engine. Maintaining the lubrication system ensures optimal engine performance and longevity. The four-stroke cycle is a sequence that powers internal combustion engines. The cycle consists of 4 distinct strokes: intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust. The intake stroke draws the air-fuel mixture into the cylinder. The compression stroke compresses the mixture, increasing its temperature and pressure. The combustion stroke ignites the compressed mixture, forcing the piston down and producing power. Finally, the exhaust stroke. The exhaust valve opens, and the piston pushes out burned gases, clearing. The graph illustrates the correlation between engine RPM and power output. Engine RPM is plotted against the corresponding power generated. And that's how an internal combustion engine works, thousands of controlled explosions every minute, perfectly timed. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more automotive videos.